I stumbled across the representative for Sungo in the Netherlands. We had a nice talk. We also laughed a lot, and I figured out that what he was doing would allow me to create more freedom for my customers. If his system was really compatible, then I could have like any solar panel, any optimizers, any battery, and still provide a certain product which appealed to my customers. So yeah, it was bullseye actually. My definition of freedom, which I like to provide to my customers, is that they don't get stuck in a certain environment where all the components must come from one manufacturer, because that's not
Yes.
per se the best in terms of money that you spend or usage or quality. I don't want to bring anybody down, but for me, it's important that you have freedom to choose. If you want this inverter and those panels and this system, and you want to work, you want to have it to work in a certain way, then you should be able to get it without losing quality. And that's what we can provide now, and I expect that we still can provide that in the future. So for me, that's the most important thing.
You mentioned quite early on about the compatibility, the fact that the Sungo products fit with all other brands of PV panels and inverters, etc., which we think is a very important feature. But I wanted to just ask: are the systems that you're putting in, are they all new installations, or are you also doing any retrofitting to sort of improve existing installations?
Yeah, that's a good question. We did some retrofitting, and what we did there, we need to dismantle a PV installation and we build it up again with the optimizers. So it worked a lot better as we expected. The customer clearly didn't expect it, but he was really surprised because he was thinking about expanding the amount of panels, and it wasn't necessary. We did a good job. We dismantled his whole installation. We looked at the panels. We brought in the optimizers from Sungo. After that, we did a check and everything worked perfectly. And he produced more energy than he ever did before. I think it would be up to 30%, yes. So actually, I was also surprised, glad, but still surprised. I think.